Okay guys, we're going to IKEA. Stuffing stuff. Because we spawn at night. So we called SCP-3008. So what we can do? The store is closed. Can we wait the building to close? Bro. Cannot drive, the stuff is broken.
Naglaho ba o hindi ko lang nabalanse pero gusto mo pa rin siya.
Let's drive.
Mura sa luya, di na
Wait.
Bakit? Na-hurt ka pa, Christoph, nung narinig ko ulit?
Not this. I'm gonna grab my yoke. I wanna break this. This car is so ugly. I wanna drive here. So that's we can room. So the car will cargo. Huh? I'll put all grabs at my own because I'm ready. Let me check out your fort. Okay, here we go. Okay. Wait. We spawned at IKEA. So I parked my car there. We spawned right there. My car is on the street. Okay, we're running. Run. We're going to IKEA. She's powering over the world. Go! The store is now closed later in the house. I was spawning the glass. Okay. So we are here now. Okay. We spawned at IKEA. She's no clip. IKEA SEMDARO swimming. IKEA. Hello, SEMDARO. What is SEMDARO? We spawned at pool. We is going inside here. Cool. Wow. This is our spawn, guys. The IKEA opens at the world. We have many game pass here. Enable the first IKEA because I'm the builder. This principal is here. This our Kansas Summary window. Elevators. So we go down. So we are measure. Did spawn at night? Oh, joking.
Opo, MVP.
Okay, we'll find
Hindi ka tanso.
this spawn at here in IKEA. But we all know.
Extra good.
2 hours later. Oh no, someone's scared of darks. It's close. The store is closed. How we gonna do? It's spawned at night in the woods. What we gonna do? What we gonna do? No, spell at night. I can't always as security. Oh, because I will get on to my house. Store is closed. Store is closed. Please say await this exit because there's no escape.
Beach volleyball or soccer?
There is no escape. Oh no, she's there. Gonna get off this place. There's no exits. I'll stay out here. That's a close one. Bye bye, guys. Sleep.